whatever, raw.
Happy National Lasagna Day, good people. You know, I love lasagna. I love to cook, but I don't love to cook lasagna. It takes forever.
So many people say it's so complicated. So here we've got lazy lasagna for today.
Okay.
So easy to make. Anybody can make it. We're gonna make it right here.
All right, cool. What do I gotta do first?
What is lasagna? It's sauce,
Right.
it's cheese,
Right.
it's pasta, it's some kind of meat maybe. So let's see how we're gonna do. First of all, I took just a jar of pasta sauce. Okay,
A whole jar.
we're talking easy, right?
All right.
Here I've taken some Italian herbs. Why don't you throw that in there? And that's just gonna give it a little bit more of a TLC, so a little bit more homemade kind of flavor. And we
Okay.
stir that in.
All right.
Then take a ladle and we're gonna put down a couple ladles full on the bottom of
Now,
our
do you
baking
have to
dish.
grease this baking dish at all, or?
Nope.
Okay. So just any ceramic baking dish, and
Yep.
you're good.
So
Okay.
just flatten that out a little bit. So now, what else do you put in lasagna? You put cheese and noodles, right?
Absolutely.
So here's a great shortcut: cheese ravioli. Cheese ravioli.
That's
It's the
genius.
noodles and the cheese together. So put a layer down of that. So we just put that down on the bottom. So here, now you've got the cheese and the noodles taken care of.
Awesome.
You don't have to worry about weird recipes,
That's
about cooking
genius.
those
I
long,
have to
skinny
admit,
noodles or
it had
anything
never
like that.
occurred to me.
Then you're gonna take whatever meat. So here I've got some veggie crumbles, but you could take,
Thank you.
I know.
Veg.
You could take a
like
cooked
little meat,
hamburger,
see?
and here we've got a little bit of pork sausage seasoning.
Okay.
And again, that gives it that homemade flavor that's mixed into there. It gives it
Okay.
just a little something special. And you're gonna sprinkle that on there.
Okay. Let's see
A little bit of
here.
that. Then you're just gonna repeat those layers, just like you do in lasagna. You're gonna
Okay.
add some more layers to it. So you would add some more sauce onto it, some more noodles, of the ravioli, some more meat. And you'll wanna make sure when you end up that you've got the sauce on the top, because
Sauce
that's
on
gonna get all
top.
bubbly and hot.
Okay.
And then at the very end part of it, you're gonna take I have some mozzarella cheese, about a cup of it, and you're gonna sprinkle that on top, and that's gonna get all golden brown at the end.
Yes, it will.
And then you wanna wind up with great, yummy, bubbly, warm lasagna.
Ooh. And
So-
how long does it take to, well,
So you're
first of
gonna-
all, this took less than 2 minutes for us to assemble.
I know, so we're talking lazy here. We're talking
I know
easy to
that's
do,
right.
so you can do it for a weeknight.
Yes.
You can even do it when company's coming over. So I threw this in a 375 oven for about 30 or 40 minutes. You're just really reheating everything and letting the flavors meld together. How easy is that?
Gorgeous. Beautiful. Carol Hurst, Old Time Spice Shop.
Yep.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
And it's vegetarian.
Yes.
But I will put hamburger in it for my dad. Love you,
There you go.
Dad. He loves lasagna too. It's National Lasagna Day. Happy Lazy Lasagna Day, good people. Fox 2 News, 9 a.m. We'll be right back.